Just needs a few things. Hey guys, this is Jeff, the misunderstood boy genius, heading to Albuquerque to check out the bug and pick up an engine. I haven't even seen the engine yet. I have no kind of idea what kind of condition it's in, except for what the guy told me. We'll check that out today and get some pictures of the bug. I can't pick it up yet because I just don't have time. So we'll check it out and we'll get back with you when we get into Albuquerque. All right, so I'm in Albuquerque and I successfully got the engine right here. 1600 dual port. I think it's a 70. It doesn't have the doghouse or anything. Got a big box full of parts, muffler and heater boxes and that sort of stuff. I want to clean all that up, of course. Gonna look at the car here in just a minute, get some pictures of that. I don't have time to pick it up yet, so not gonna do that today. But wanted to get the engine and start on that. So this is my first podcast of this, so we'll talk to you later and we'll see you at the car. And there she is, 1971 standard Beetle. Been sitting here for probably 20 years. Just needs a few things. But it was hit on this side, and the shop that they did all the body work and everything, they were going to put the new engine in, and they dropped it. So it has no engine. Inside here though, we've got the seats, which are kind of loose right now because I think the seats broke when they had the accident. Got a fire extinguisher, that's always good. And in the back here, we've got another IRS transmission, tail lights, the back seats. They put a corner clip on it. It looks like cut the headliner out, so I'm gonna have to fix that. And you know, some of the other little bits here and there. But overall, it's all here, except for the engine in the back of the car, and has everything to it. I'm not sure if there's two taillights. I only see one taillight so far. I haven't really dug underneath the seat. Piece of engine tin back there. So I've got the engine in the truck, and gonna pull this home in a couple weeks. I didn't even check the brakes. I'm scared to check the brakes. Don't know if it rolls either. Tried rocking it. The tires are actually okay. I bought new tires to put on it though. When I come to get it, I'll take the tires off and take the wheels off, take it down the street, tire shop, have them put on the new tires I got and roll it on that. There was another hubcap in the back, probably the hubcap for back there. Under the hood is phenomenal. Basically a rust-free car. Everything's intact in the electrics. Should bring a battery out, put it in, just test everything. I've got a battery. Have to dig into that back seat then. Really straight up front. I don't think I have a back bumper, unless it's buried underneath the seat back there. I need to do a little paint back here, although it looks like a dreamsicle right now. Need some new side rails there. Dang it, can't remember what those are called right now. And yeah, a little paint work. Body work's done. There's one little dent right up here. Dirty. We know when they put a new window in the back, though, they didn't put the defroster window in. It's got the wire for the defroster, but it's not a defroster window. It's just a standard window. And I don't know if we have the license plate holder or not. But all that stuff's easy to get, easy to find. 71 was the first year with the flow-through ventilation. And I noticed inside the plastic was all destroyed for that. That side's in bad shape. That side's in missing shape. And I wonder if somewhere underneath here, oh, good battery. Think that'll take a charge? Hopefully it's some of the other stuff. I just don't want to dig into it right now, though. I'm gonna get it home first and then take all this out of there and start cleaning it up and get things back together. But don't know if I can fix these seats either. I think they said the accident broke the seats, or maybe they took the seat backs off when they did the repair. I don't know. Some headliner stuff we got to do. Got the original Sapphire 15 radio. I don't think that's the original steering wheel. I think that's an aftermarket. But I think it's going to clean up. I think it'll look great. Look, I got two Beetles. There's a spare in the glove box. So next step is to pull this home and start tearing into it. Thanks for watching. Hey YouTubers, so I've got the load of stuff. There's an engine back there. I got a few more goodies we'll talk about later. Driving down the highway and heading home, and I'll unload this stuff and we'll go through it and see what we got. All right? Sound good? And then we'll start working on stuff, getting this bug ready and back on the road. All right, signing out. We'll talk to you later.